Spring is a time of revitalization and reinvention, and Chef Jamie Gwynne's recipes embrace this spirit with fresh produce and creative twists on classic dishes. From incorporating seasonal ingredients to crafting delightful Easter-themed treats, she has lots of tips to elevate everyday meals, perfect for celebrating the flavors of the season.
Chef Jamie Gwynne here. I celebrate spring by looking at the newest innovations and ingredients. I can have fresh rice daily in 18 minutes with the newest Tiger JPW H10U rice cooker. It has a special express limited cup setting, and it will keep rice warm for 12 hours. It also has 14 preset cooking settings, and it even includes cake and soup settings. And check out this beautiful caramel cake made in my Tiger rice cooker. Now, I do have a go-to favorite spring side dish too. This citrus orzo with olives, almonds, and feta highlights Pearl's Olive's exquisite quality calamatas. I can always count on the quality of Pearl's olives. Each olive is hand-picked and hand-stuffed. I love the traditional black olives and their full line of imported specialties, including gourmet olives stuffed with garlic or blue cheese and more. They are so good. And if you want to take your entertaining up a notch, my secret ingredient is Alouette soft spreadable cheese. Their chef-inspired flavors like spinach and artichoke and garlic and herb will elevate your cheese board, no doubt. I like to use the garlic and herbs to make a beautiful frittata. Alouette also makes a double creme brie that is crafted with farm fresh milk and cream for a wonderful richness. Perfect for any brunch throughout the season. Alouette soft spreadable cheese takes any occasion from blah to ooh la la. For more delicious recipes and inspiration, visit dailylounge.com. Happy spring, and back to you.
Thank you, Chef.